Don't expect to see a perfect, beautiful car.
Oh, you said 2 hours to do this. You sure about Lefty Lucy? That doesn't feel right, Cherry. It's a rusty, stiff knob.
Hello friends, wizards, witches and muggles. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Today, I'm joined with Miss Bakey Films. Bakey, it's the Bakey. It says it on her hat.
Just in case you forget.
Yeah. So today, we're filming something quite cool. I have got a Ford Anglia in my garage, which is Arthur Weasley's car from Harry Potter. Sophie's not seen it yet, but we are going to be magical mechanics, hence the really stylish outfits. Do you love your outfit that I bought?
I love it. I love this area of it as well. Exercise on
It's a PG channel.
Like that.
Now, before I get started, we have filmed a video on Sophie's channel as well, so you can go check that out. I will leave the link in the top line of the description. Definitely go subscribe to Sophie and go check out her videos because they're really fun. I know she's a Slytherin, but I'm just kidding.
Whoa.
But yeah, so today I have been given some challenges to do. They're here in my pocket. Now, me and Sophie aren't mechanics. We've never worked on cars. We don't really know what we're doing, do we?
Not a clue.
But we've been given permission to do things on this car. I feel as though you're just going to be there with a hammer or something.
I'm just ready to sledgehammer it. No, actually, I'm not going to destroy the car. The car is, I hope, beautiful. What happens if you pull out and it's not even like a car?
There's a car in there, don't worry.
Are you sure it's not going to be like a little mini car? Is this actually,
It's a toy car.
I haven't seen the car yet. I don't
There's
know
actually a Ford
sure?
Anglia
Okay,
in there. Yeah. So this car is going to be brought back to life. It's going to be beautiful by the time it's finished. It's going to be absolutely, honestly, it's going to look brand new. It's going to look great. It's going to have an engine. It's going to run. At the moment, it's a bit rusty. It looks like it's been living in the Forbidden Forest for a while. But we'll get to that. So our challenges today, Sophie, are we have to remove the front seats of the car. They're currently bolted down into it. We also have to remove the carpet, but, and there is a but, we are not allowed to damage the rubber underneath. If we do, someone's going to cry. My friend Jeff's going to cry because it's his Ford Anglia. It's kind of like our joint project, so we can't do that. If you do that, I'll send you an invoice.
Okay, so don't damage. That's quite a hard task.
Those are the main tasks, and apparently cameraman Chris, who does know a lot about cars, he's not allowed to answer questions and can't intervene or help us at all. We will be shown where the tools are, but we won't be told what tools to use. How are you feeling about that?
I'm all right with that. I think it'll be easy. It's just some seats.
Just some
carpet.
seats. Just some seats and some carpet.
Is it even a car? You know what I mean? That's just carpets and seats.
Exactly, and we need to be done by 1:30, so we better get started, really. Shall I show you the car?
Yes, please.
All right, let's go do that. Don't expect to see a perfect, beautiful car.
But if it looks like a Whomping Willow, gone for it.
It does look like...
I can make it more authentic and put a tree branch through it. Oh, no, that is cute. Very...
Now, it's a little bit sad. It's got no light, but the lights do work. They do work. It has a bonnet, which isn't attached, or is it the hood? People in America call them the hood of a car. But we're in England and we call them a bonnet. It has doors that don't shut. A boot.
That's quite a good boot. Good
size.
size.
You could fit a Hogwarts trunk.
I could get in there.
Do you want to get in there? At the end of this project, this is going to have the mirror put back in. It's going to, all this rust is not going to be there. It's going to look...
This be blue.
This will be blue, yeah.
Okay.
It's going to get a full body job. That's a technical term. Do you want to go have a look at that side? And we can try and figure out how we think the seats will come out. Because I honestly have no clue. Okay, so they lean forward, which is kind of cool. It's like, oh, do you want to get in the back? Move the seat.
Was this meant to... Oh, it's meant to come forward.
Yeah.
Seats are out.
That's
Something's fallen.
We're done.
What is this?
What is that?
I don't know, I don't want to know. The seatbelt's attached to the floor. That's not normal.
So this car is from, I think, 1965, 63? 1960.
Oh,
so...
Cherry, the seats are falling out. Oh, that's good. That's what we wanted, right?
No, we want the front seats out. Stop taking the back seats out.
Well, they're
Sophie.
not very attached.
I'm going to put this box. You have broken the back seats.
I haven't. That was already disattached.
Right, so we've got sockets. Let's
Just
have a
gotta
look.
find which one fits.
Yep, let's
That's
have a look. So I'm gonna have I've got a feeling about number 11 or number 10. Do you want to hold that in case I'm wrong?
Okay.
Oh my God, I think I was right the first time. Okay, so I found the right socket. This is a ratchet. That's something that I do know. Did you know it's called a ratchet?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
No.
Yes and no. I don't really know how they work though. Oh God, I don't want to break it. Hang on, has this got like a reverse on it? How does one ratchet work? Can you at least tell me the right way round? How it undoes? Does this only go one way?
Is she gonna break the car?
Oh my God. Help. Sophie, can you hold the chair?
Oh, I'm really doing a lot here, guys.
Okay, it's loosening.
Oh.
Very rusty. Look at that. I'm a pro, Sophie.
That's sounding good.
I think we're in the wrong industry here.
Yeah, I should be a professional chair holder. Keep going. Doing great.
Oh, it's actually coming out. I'm actually impressed. Hang on. How far?
Go again. You got another one. Go.
Okay, you're doing the other side.
No, this is nice. This is nice.
So we've got 2 bolts at the back.
Why change what's working?
I've got a hammer for you.
I don't know what I'm going to do with this.
This
but
is
I'll
Sophie's
keep
tool. I think I'd actually be really good at cars if I could be bothered. Have you ever changed like a tyre or anything?
No.
Have you ever opened the bonnet of your car?
No.
Never? Do you not feel like your windscreen washer or check your oil?
No. I have a father for that.
No, you are a car owner. You're an independent woman. You can check your own oil and change your washer fluid. Right, we've got the 2 front bolts off.
And it's still attached.
Yeah, because it's got 2 bolts at the front as well, so you don't have to hold the chair now.
I've done so much work.
Guessing these are the same size. Yes, they are. Would you look at that? Oh, hang on. Am I tightening it? I've done it the wrong way. It's the other way on the front because I think. Smart. It's the. No, I'm tightening it. Oh my God, which way round are you? Are you going to do the honours of actually lifting the seat up when I've undone it?
Yes, I'll be here for the last part. It'll look like I've done it all.
And we're there. Sorry, I pushed the chair and it's all right. We're good. Right, shall we try to take this seat out in a second? Oh my God, she's got it. Oh. Take the seat out. Hang on,
I'm gonna flatten.
I'm gonna move. I don't trust you.
Do we yeet it?
We've got a seat out. That's half the challenge so far. Oh my God. Yes, Soph. Well, you know what that means.
Job done.
Yeah, that's it. We're done. No, it's your turn next.
Oh, you could have just sat in the back and done it. This is easy. Are you sure this is the right size? Okay, lefty loosey. That's definitely getting tighter. Speeding through this cherry now.
Yeah,
got this.
It's like we're professionals. Cameraman Chris didn't have faith that I'd be able to get these chairs out. Boy, were you wrong. Do you want me to work on your car? Save you some trips to the garage? You're lost, mate.
Oh God, thank God. The microphone's getting some heavy breathing going. Do you want to take this one out?
No, I think you got it, man.
Yeah. I did the last one. Working with a lot of space here.
So, we don't just have to get the chairs out. We've got to get the seat bolts out. Seat bolts?
No, that wasn't in the challenge.
No, but we have to take those out to get the carpet out.
No, it didn't say that though, did it?
The carpet's not going to come out if it's got bolts through it. The carpet won't come out without getting these out, so we're going to need a bigger socket, I think.
Cherry, no.
Hang on, I don't even know how.
No, that looks like too much work. I thought, you said 2 hours to do this. The challenge says carpet. We work.
Yeah, but the carpet doesn't come out without taking those out, I'm telling you.
Hammer.
Oh,
that's great. That is great.
Thank you.
You're doing so well.
Thanks, I thought so. Does it look like I know what I'm doing?
That did. That was one hand as well. You started with 2, you had to do 1.
She's improving.
God, so good.
Right, so.
I actually get a bit emotional.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't think it was meant to do that, but that was good. That you just sped up the whole process.
So I'm going to give you, I think it was actually. Here you go. You need to get your bolty bit out.
You sure about lefty loosey?
Well, it's not going to be tighty righty, is it? Right, so you need to make sure that the socket's like on it.
I don't want to do that. No, I don't. Don't break it.
I'm not going to break it.
That doesn't feel right, Cherry. That's right, Cherry.
No, that's left.
But lefty loosey was lefty this way.
I can't, I might.
It's right, whatever way you look at it. If you sit on that seat, that's right.
Lefty.
Left.
Left.
But it's left for you that way. This is the problem. I don't think there's no such thing as
Wait a
lefty
minute,
loosey.
just let me think for a second.
Oh.
Oh no, she's breaking something. Why am I trusted? Right, okay. I don't think this is a good idea, you know. It should not be this stiff.
No, that was good.
Stop it! I feel as though this shouldn't be this difficult. Can I have some, like, lube?
I hope there's actual visuals to this. I don't know if there's visuals, I take that back.
Oh my goodness. Can you stop laughing? Oh! Have I broke it?
This is beautiful to watch. I didn't think you could do all this with one nut.
It is really stiff though,
It's a
isn't
rusty, stiff knob.
it? Stop it. Do you want to go now, sir?
I'll give it one go.
Just one.
Just one, just so I look like I've been here.
Okay, no, it's not working, is it?
It's working, it's moving. It's definitely moving.
Cool.
That's
Good.
me.
Thanks,
really helped there.
thanks for your assistance. Look, I'm doing
Look
it.
at that.
Yeah, she's got skills. It's like I know what I'm doing.
Professional.
Is this the right one? Yeah. Oh, I think it might. Yay! She did it.
We did it, yeah.
We did it. Right, so in theory we can get the carpet out now.
Oh wait, oh yeah, that's fine. This goes around the carpet, doesn't it? You've got to do that on that
just
side.
be careful because the rubber underneath we don't want to
Yes.
damage at all. Right, look at that.
Stunning.
Ooh. Oh my gosh, Sophie, you made such a mess on the floor. Guess who's vacuuming?
That was already here when I arrived.
I was nice and
What
neat,
did you-
rolled it all
Oh, you
up.
cocooned it. That's going straight in Cherry's bedroom, this
You
carpet.
have one of these on there. Dude,
Whoa! I just copied you.
you just threw it. I mean, that's the main task's finished, isn't it? Okay, we were told that we could try to take the back seat out. Do we have time? We have a little time. Right, are you going to help?
Oh, sorry. Oh, done. Seat done.
Seat
Finished.
done. Do you want to take her out?
Are you sure you're gonna not moan about the mess that hits the floor? Get some strength. Oh gosh, Cherry.
Hang on.
Don't even know your own strength.
Ooh, this looks so weird, like without seats.
We destroyed a car.
So I've just watched Chris's no touchy without permission. It's beer. I don't drink it anyway.
Gosh. Just remember there's no seats. Oh, I can't even see me.
Get on your knees. Oh. If you can see us, that is a wrap. We have done our car work on the Ford Anglia. I will continue this at some point and show you what this Anglia looks like when it's all shiny and new and happy, not rusty, not got poop in it, and it's all clean and shiny and hopefully is on the road again. You had good
Sat in
times?
poop.
You sat in poop?
Yes.
Do you want to get out?
No, fine.
You good? So do you feel, have you like sparked a new interest in cars?
No.
Okay, well, Sophie the mechanic won't be my apprentice any longer. It was a good trial.
She didn't even let me lose a hammer, so don't like her anymore.
I've got nothing for you to hammer, Sophie. I'm really sorry. Maybe next time I can find you something to give a good thwack. I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. If you did, don't forget to give it a magical thumbs up. Check out the video that we did on Sophie's channel. Go subscribe to her as well. She is awesome.
Thank you.
I won't be saying that again to you, don't worry.
I'll say it's the nicest thing you said to me today.
Aww. But yeah, I will see you next time. Bye. I'm like wobbling the car.
I can't shake it. Oh.
Oh. It's nice.